Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn our worksheet number 4. Abraham Lincoln. Who is he? He is a very famous personality. He was the President of United States. So about him, let us learn in detail. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He is regarded as one of America's greatest heroes. He was a great speaker and also a successful lawyer. Even though he went to school for about 18 months only, he was self-educated. So, Abraham Lincoln, here you can see a man who is closing his fist and trying to frighten the people, is Abraham Lincoln. He is the 16th President of United States. Why is he famous even though he is the 16th President? What was his specialty and what's the difference between him and the other presidents? Let's see. He was a great speaker and also a successful lawyer. He was a lawyer. Not only the President of United States, he studied barrister. Even though he went to school only about 18 months. He did not have his proper education as like others as we are having now. He studied only 18 months in school. And the remaining things he learned by himself. So he was a 16th president and also a lawyer. Abraham Lincoln was not only a great political leader but also a great wrestler. He was a tall man and because of his long limbs, people found it difficult to defeat him. He wrestled in almost 300 matches and was defeated only once. Once after defeating an opponent, he challenged the entire crowd of viewers to wrestle with him. But no one came forward. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president and was a lawyer. Now we come to know that by reading this paragraph, he was a great political leader and also a great wrestler. Wrestler, you everyone knows that. The person, those who can fight very well. He is very tall man. And he wrestled almost about 300 matches. How many matches did he participate? He participated in 300 matches. Among that matches, he won all 299 matches he won. And he was defeated only in one match. He lost only one match. So you can think that how powerful the man was. Isn't it? And the match in which he was defeated, he said the people, those who gathered there to watch the match, he said that even though I was defeated, I can defeat you all people, those who are present in the crowd. But by seeing his height and his personality, because of his long limbs, no one came forward. Everyone was afraid of him. His wrestling matches were often mentioned during the elections in those days. It was important for a political leader to be brave and strong. So what they are saying, in olden days, to become a political leader means you should have leadership qualities. So he was very brave and strong. And about his wrestling, the people used to speak mostly in elections. So he became the 16th President of United States. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.